Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 ROSY. So let's say the specification. You will get the Android version 10. In Android 11 is not released for this ROM. This is the RR ROM build version, as you can see, 8.7.0 to July, as you can see, 2021. This is the unofficial build, not the official one. 5 June security patch, 1 August Panda security patch. As you can see, kernel, here is the Bonil kernel is installed in this ROM. And let's check all the features of this ROM. I already made the detailed feature video of this ROM. You can check that video. There are many features in this ROM. Here is the RR tool. Here is the customization of the status bar, panel, system, interface, lock screen, animation. All these features are working perfectly fine, and screen of animation is also working. We will not check all the features in this ROM. We will check the main features like 3D benchmark test, security, fingerprint, face unlock, how fast is the fingerprint and the face unlock. As I have already made a video of RR on the features, so you can check that video. Vibration is working perfectly fine. You can easily apply the fingerprint without any problem. As you can see, you can easily apply. Let's check the speed. Tap. Right now it is not working. Now it's perfectly fine. Tap open. As you can see, speed is good in this ROM, not the lightning fast. Speed is average, so don't worry. Fingerprint is average, not lightning fast. Let's check the face unlock. Is the face unlock is average or lightning fast? Allow. Let's check the face unlock. Let me apply the face unlock first. So as you can see, bypass lock screen. Let's check the face unlock speed. How fast is the face unlock speed? Face unlock speed is also average. It is not working perfectly fine. For additional, we have to unlock your device for the first time. So as you can see, face unlock speed is better than the fingerprint speed. It unlocks your device automatically without any problem. Speed is good. Fingerprint speed is not lightning fast, but the face unlock speed is lightning fast. And you can easily unlock your device with the Gmail. MI remote. Here is the I have installed the MI remote. MI remote is also working perfectly in this ROM. It works perfectly. And here is the display. Here are some of the brightness level is working. Night light is also working perfectly. Let me show you. Turn on a custom time frame. As you can see, you can use it according to your use if you want. And automatic brightness is also working. Lock screen display. Let's check. Always on display is also available in this ROM. If you want to use always on display, you can use the always on display. You can change the time also, time format if you want. Ambient display, here is another one. Pick up proximity sensor, you can use it according to your use. And the sound is also working perfectly. The sound is loud, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem. And here are some of the gestures. You can use 3 button, 2 buttons, and gestures. Navigation, it works perfectly fine. Vibration on the navigation bar is also working. And here are the few applications installed in this ROM. As you can see, let's have the 3D benchmark test also. How is the score? Right now I have not tested this score, so I forgot to test this. And 3D benchmark test, 3D mark test. Let's have the 3D performance, if it is good or not. Slingshot extreme is the 430 overall score and 4% better than the Xiaomi Redmi 5 devices. So this ROM is not for best for gaming, but for daily use customization you can use this ROM. And let's check the BGMI performance. How fast is the performance? Is this ROM for good for gaming, or this ROM lags or not while using? So if I talk about the gaming performance, game performance is good, but it is sometimes only in the starting it lags, but after a few minutes of playing it was perfectly fine without any problem. When the enemies are nearby, it does not lag. So don't worry, you can use this ROM for gaming also, but not for pro gamers who usually plays for only for gaming. So this ROM is not for gaming, but it is for both daily and gaming, simple gaming if you want. So now let's check the gaming performance of RR ROM. This is the BGMI performance. Let's set the setting. Graphics, balanced and medium. I have set it to the balanced and medium. So now let's check the, as you can see, there is a little bit lag in the gaming when enemies are nearby, else it is working perfectly. In the starting you will feel the lag only in the starting. else this ROM is best for gaming. You can use this ROM for gaming if you want, and for daily usage it is this ROM is best one, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem while using it. It works perfectly fine. As you can see, there is no lag on the balanced and medium. It works perfectly fine, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem. I have used this ROM for gaming. I have used this ROM for almost 1 hour in gaming. It works perfectly fine. There is no lag or any problem while using this ROM for gaming. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.